At the end of this video, you will be able to split full name into first and last names in Excel like this. So let's get started. We are going to split the name using the text to column wizard. To use that, first select the cells containing the full name. Now go to data menu and select the text to columns option. The convert text to column wizard window will be opened. Make sure that the delimited option is selected because the first and last names are delimited or separated by a space in the full name. Click the next button to continue to the second step. This step allows us to specify the delimiter used in the data. Select the space checkbox from the list. Excel will display a preview of how the data will look like after applying the changes in the data preview section. Make sure it looks correct and select next to continue. Here we can select the data format options. I am going to leave the general selected. I am going to select the column next to the full name column as destination. That way Excel will put first and last names next to the full name. Click the finish button to close the wizard. We now have first and last names separated from the full name. If the first and last names are separated by something other than a space character, we need to select it in the wizard accordingly. For example, if they are separated by a comma, we need to select comma as delimiter in the wizard. If they are separated by a comma followed by a space as given here, we need to select both of them as delimiters. We also need to check treat consecutive delimiters as one checkbox. This checkbox makes Excel to treat space and comma characters as a single separator. Make sure to check the data preview section to verify that. Click the finish button to separate the first and last names. Sometimes the first and last names are separated by something other than the choices given by the wizard. For example, a hyphen character. In this case, we can specify that character by selecting the other checkbox and typing the hyphen character in the text box next to it. Watch this video to learn how to combine first and last names into full name in Excel very easily. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.